Want to get better results from your AI prompts? It's not just about writing longer text, it's about designing a clear, precise interface for the AI. Senior engineers use a 6-layer prompt optimization stack that includes defining roles, objectives, context, constraints, output format, and quality standards. The secret? The golden equation: clarity times context times constraints times structure times evaluation equals quality. Missing any part means your output quality drops. Command the AI with clear declarative instructions, specify the depth of thinking, and define exactly what success looks like. Use structured output formats and provide examples to avoid hallucinations. For top-notch results, make the AI reason step by step and self-evaluate its answers. Ready to level up your prompts? Try the free AI prompt optimizer at ImprovePrompt.ai and watch your AI outputs transform.